service in Mount Holly has. In northwestern New Jersey until 6:15 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms produced between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. And streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding: Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Roxburgh, Grass Castle, Pleasant Valley, and Jersey between mile markers 3 and 5. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.